Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel. It's me, Raiza Contawi, and today I will be doing a makeup look na highly requested ng marami. At ito nga yung look na pinost ko sa Instagram, which is this one. So ito yung punta ko doon sa birthday ni Estee. Actually, yung mga products na gagamitin ko ngayon ay pwedeng maiba dahil kumuha ako ng mga mas budget-friendly. Pero may mga products na hindi ko mapapalitan dahil mag-iiba yung itsura or hindi na siya as the same kapag pinalitan ko sila. So if you want to know kung ano yung mga produkto na ginamit ko at kung paano ko ginawa yun, well, please keep on watching. Simulan natin agad yan. Wala nang patumpik-tumpik. As I was saying, may mga produkto na hindi ko papalitan kasi mag-iiba talaga siya ng itsura. Let's say, for example, this one. This is Makeup Forever Step 1 Base Ganito ko ng ganito. Wait lang. This is Makeup Forever Step 1 Hydrating Primer. And bakit hindi ko to papalitan? Kasi itong klase ng primer nito, siya ang may punot dulo ng lahat kung bakit medyo may blurring effect to aking mukha. And I super love yung naging resulta. And then meron din ako ngayong combo ng foundation na sobrang nice. Pero kailangan, ito talaga yung primer. Pag ibang primer, hindi magiging pareho yung effect. Hindi magiging parehong smooth and sobrang blurred out ng itsura. Kaya, ito talaga. Gamitin talaga natin kung ano yung ginamit ko sa aking base. Dahil yung base ko doon, sobrang ganda. Next is foundation. And ngayon ko na ito na-discover. Pinagsama yung dalawa. It's really nice. So this is Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Skin Full Coverage Foundation. And we also have here Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place Liquid Foundation. This is in the shade Spice Sand. And this is in the shade Y255. So I will be mixing both. Both are really good pagdating sa coverage. Pero ang kaibahan lang is yung isa mas matte, yung isa naman may pagka satin ang effect. Yung Estee Lauder hindi siya totally matte. Itong matte velvet, it's really matte. And then kapag pinag-combine silang dalawa, it's really good. And then gagamit ako siya ng buffing brush. So I will blend this yung kabila. But maybe because itong mixture ang nag-work sa akin dahil medyo combination to dry ang aking balat. And kung yung Makeup Forever na matte velvet skin lang ang gagamitin ko, it's gonna be too matte for me. And then, yung Estee Lauder naman, meron siyang flashback eh. Hindi siya as HD compared to Makeup Forever. So, pagdating naman sa camera, or pagdating sa pictures, ang puti-puti tingnan. Pag pinag-mix yung both, hindi siya as OA pagdating sa flashback. For sure, I will be obsessed at the moment. Itong pinaka-best combination ng foundation na try ko sa aking mukha. It lasted me the whole night. It wasn't oily. It wasn't greasy. But it gives me that glow that I need. So, basta ang ganda niya. And then, wait lang. Gumamit tayo ng concealer. Concealer ko, gumamit talaga ako ng Makeup Forever during that night. Pero, for now, gagamitin ko muna itong L'Oreal Infallible na full wear concealer. I will be trying this for the first time. Ooh. Ang laki ng applicator ng L'Oreal na to. Oh, wow. L'Oreal, I see you. Sana hindi niya masira yung foundation. This brush from Luxie is really nice. It's called the Pro Precision Face. It is really precise, I have to say. It's really good. The concealer is working with the foundation. Hindi ko alam kung mag-work ba siya kung sa skin lang. Pero right now, it's really mattifying. Alam mo yun? Parang maganda yung kapit niya doon sa naging base ko, which is good. Because may ibang concealer na dinidisrupt niya yung base, which is not good. Parang binubutas niya yung foundation, lalo na pag super oily. But maybe because this is the Infallible line, kaya talagang yung formula or yung ingredients na nandito sa concealer na to, pang long-lasting din, kaya medyo mattifying din. So right now, I will be setting it with Makeup Forever's translucent powder. Now, this is also a key product because I did a tutorial using this. Sinabi ko na it's important na nagsaset kayo ng makeup nyo with a translucent powder instead of yung may kulay dahil mas nagiging oily kayo kung may pigment kasi may binder pa yun eh. But this one, wala na kasi wala naman tong pigment. So, it leaves your face more matte, basically. Hindi siya oily compared to kapag pressed powder na may kulay pa. So this is also a key product because kung iba ang gagamitin ko for sure, medyo naging hulas ako noon. And isang bagay at isa sa mga pinaka-importante na ginagawa na itong powder na to, siya rin ay dumadagdag doon sa blurred effect. For the brows, I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills na pomade, and this is in the shade medium brown. Ito rin yung ginamit ko that night. You can use anything, but I will use this because iba yung effect ng mga brow products sa akin. Kapag K-palette, mas natural, pero pag mas gusto kong define, then gumagamit ako ng pomade, and iba pa rin yung magiging effect niya sa akin. Kapag pencil, iba rin yung effect niya sa akin because of the wax ingredient. Mas parang shiny yung effect. Gusto ko matte, may definition, at maganda yung kulay. Moving on, pagdating naman sa eyeshadow, ang concept lang, parang smoked out lang siya. Napakadali lang. So, I will be using this palette. This is Chica Ichico na one-shot eye palette in the shade Day Drink. It's actually really perfect. And by the name of the palette na Day Drink, pwede siya for a daytime look. Pwede na naman siya for night outs if you're drinking outside. And actually, hindi ito yung palette na ginamit ko. Ginamit ko talaga yung Jaclyn Hill na Morphe palette. But I'm looking at something that you would want to have, or ito yung perfect para sa inyo. Because if you want the Jaclyn Hill, maybe some of you hindi naman gagamitin lahat ng kulay, di ba? And so I'm going to start by applying the base, and it's the shade, itong matte medium brown. Dry application lang muna. Once na maset nyo na everything in place, next thing that you have to do is apply the darker brown shade na matte din. So basically, ganun lang naman ang kalakaran natin sa eyeshadow. Parang parehong matte lang ang ginamit ko. And then, ang gagawin lang natin is, syempre paliligoan lang natin siya ng glitters. And as always, I'm using the Superface in Aurora. Iba talaga. Pag ibang glitters ang ginamit ko, hindi ganun ang magiging effect niya. Strategically place glitters. Hindi yung basta ganun laki ng ganun. Kailangan meron kayong strategiya. Parang ganyan. And eyeliner naman gagamitin ko, Mersey and the LB Tokyo eyeliners. Iba rin talaga pag ito yung gamit ko, in all fairness. Meron siyang difference na nagagawa compared sa ibang eyeliners na brown liners, na matte brown liners. So, I love mixing LB and at the same time Mersey. Ewan kung bakit. Ang dami, no? Hindi ko alam kung marami rin. Pero, inuuna ko muna itong Smudge Gel Liner in Royal Brown. Lighter siya than Mersey Dutch Brown. So, ilalagay ko lang siya muna dito sa pinaka-base. Iba din kasi kapag nilalaro mo yung shades eh. Yung paglalaro mo ng dimension, ganda ng effect. Yung LB Tokyo kasi, nasa smudge siya. Yung Mersey, ang bilis kasi niyang mag-set. So, I am using this. Pwede din naman yung soft brown na Mersey, pero masyado kasing light yun. And naglagay na tayo ng dark brown shade eh. Kaya LB na itong ginagamit ko. Patungan natin siya. Now, this one is dark and at the same time may konti siyang parang may pagka-coppery siya na tingnan, hindi siya overly matte. Pero, hindi naman too shiny or too metallic. Tama lang. One tip na ma-share ko sa inyo is look after the details. When you're going for a simple makeup like this one, by simple meaning, yung eyeshadow, parang matte eyeshadow lang naman, tapos glitters, and then eyeliner. So, basically, iisipin nyo na parang ang dali naman ito. Pero, nasa detalye yan. For example, the way you see this, the way you shade your liners from black to light brown, it gives a difference compared sa pag naglagay lang kayo ng normal eyeliner. So, that's the key when it comes to simple looks. May mga maliliit na detalye na ayaw nyo ma-miss out. So right now, pagtapos ko sa eyeliner, magmamaskara tayo. And this one, oh my God, I am really, 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 really happy about this. As you may know, ang gamit ko laging mascara is L'Oreal na Lash Paradise. And actually, yun ang tumalo sa Maybelline na Hyper Curl ba yun? Tama ba? Hypercurl. Yung Hypercurl, yung mura. Ang nakita kong advantage ng L'Oreal Lash Paradise compared to Maybelline is that meron siyang pang-hold ng curl. Pero this one, ang gamit ko itong Kill Lash. Both of them are from Clio Professional. The Kill Lash Super Proof Mascara. The other one is long curling. The other one is volumizing. During that night, ginamit ko pareho. And I must say, parang may tatalo na sa Lash Paradise. Look at this! Sobrang nipis, sobrang liit ng wand, na sobrang precise ng application niya sa lashes. I'm going to show you. So, mag-curl muna tayo ng lashes actually. Yung Lash Paradise kasi, maganda formula niya, pero ang taba ng wand. Super na-excite ako. Look at that. Look at that. Sobrang precise. Abot na abot yung roots. So, ang ginawa ko noon, talagang finocus ko muna siya sa roots. Ngayon naman, apply natin itong long curling mascara. Ito kasi meron siyang fibers, but same. It's a bit curved, pero manipis din siya. So, I love it. I love the applicator so much, and I love the formula as well. I clearly remember during that night as well, bago ako maglagay ng eyeshadow sa ilalim, naglagay na ako agad ng mascara. So, sobrang excited ko. So, same naman, inuna ko muna yung volumizing mascara. Mabilis kasi tumatayo eh. Apply natin agad yung lengthening. Time for some lash action. And Miss Bloomin' is the way to go. Dahil itong type of lashes na to, hindi siya sobrang mukhang false eyelashes. Para siyang nagpa-extension lang lashes. Ganyan. So, lalagay ko lang siya. Because this one's from Japan. Pati yung glue, sobrang tibay. I love it. Ang ganda talaga ng lashes na to. Alam nyo, hindi magiging ganito yung itsura nito kung hindi dahil sa lashes din. Kapag tapos na yung lashes, eto na, di ba, babalik nga tayo ulit sa pag-eyeshadow or pag-eyeliner. Ang gagamitin ko naman yung LV Token na Royal Brown kasi it's not too brown, it's not too dark. And then, ilalagay ko siya sa ilalim. Tapos medyo habaan ko lang siya ng konti. Ganyan, no, para maabot niya ilalim. Then, ang gagawin ko, magsha-shadowing lang tayo. So, hindi ako maglalay na parang whoop, isang linya. So, parang pat-pat lang ako or dab-dab lang ng product. Ganyan-ganyan lang. Time for the blush and contour. I'm going to use yung bago ng Sunny's Face. This is in the shade Biscuit and Peached. Or yung doll yata ang hinanda ko. Yes, Biscuit and doll. So, ito yung pink and medyo papagka parang coral peach. Gagamit ako ng brush. I'm going to use a synthetic one from NYX. Punta muna tayo sa doll. And then, punta tayo sa Biscuit. Tapos, ilalagay natin siya dito sa gilid. Now, use a synthetic brush kasi mas madali. Ang ganda ng ano na to, brush na to. Uy, kapag mag-create kayo ng looks, guys, tag nyo ako para ma-repost ko. Para ma-share ko din sa iba. And para pakita ko rin yung mga gawa ninyo. And then, it's time for lipstick. Mamaya, ang actually yung finishing touch ko lagi yung highlighter. So, ang gamit ko naman itong Jeffree Star na liquid lipstick or Velour liquid lipstick in Gemini. I've been loving this, pero iba lang, for some reason, parang iba lang yung dating niya sa container mismo and then sa labi mismo. It's more pink when applied. Actually, well, dito sa screen, I can see na parang it's bright pink, but in person, actually, it's a bit more muted. Parang mas dull siya tignan. Okay, you don't have to overline the way I do it. I have to admit, sobrahan ang ating labi ngayon, pero just go ahead and fill in your lips. And after nito, it's time for highlighter and the setting spray. And I'm going to use my favorite at the moment. This is the Big Urban Longwear Top Coat. This is going to give me the dewy look, pero my makeup is going to stay matte. It's not going to be oily, which is perfect. Just the way I like it. And paubos na siya. At habang medyo, basa pa siya, mag-highlight na tayo. I'm going to use the Pixie by Petra. This is their Subtle Sunrise Glowy Gossamer Duo. Gossamer? Ewan ko, paano i-pronounce ito. Ayan, gagamitin ko both na lang pag mix natin sila. Actually, ang ganda na ng highlight eh. Pero siguro yan ako na lang siya. Accentuate. Also, this is not the highlighter that I used that night na ginamit ko yung Estee Lauder. Victoria Beckham na Holy Grail highlighter ko. Pero this time, I wanted to try something new. And gladly, it works. Last but definitely not the least, ito naman ang hindi nyo rin dapat kalimutan. Pwede kayo mag-lip gloss, pero for me, ang gamit ko itong favorite kong lip oil at the moment. This one is from Nakeup Face. This is the colorless one, pero may kulay lang siya. That's because lagi siyang ginagamit and nahawa yung lipstick, yung lip product na ginagamit ko. So, ang ginagawa ko lang is kumukuha lang akong ganyan. Plastic applicator siya, so hindi siya brush type. And then nilalagay ko lang siya sa gitna. Ganyan lang. Look at that. This is my final look. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to give this a thumbs up and don't forget to get subscribed and notified by clicking the bell button below. You can also follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter all at Raiza Contawi. Thank you guys again so much. If you have any requests, let me know in the comment section below and also let me know what you think about this look. I'll see you in the next vlog. Bye!